Hey guys, it's me, Julia. In this video, I'll be going over practice test number 9, no calculator section question 15. So let's get started. So this is going to be a squaring question. So it asks, what is a set of all solutions to the equations? Square root x plus 2 equals negative x. So we need to find x. And how would we do that? Like you would for any other solve the x questions, you'll need to get rid of the square root by squaring it. So whenever you want to remove a square root, you need to square it. And basically what it does is it cancels out, and that will leave you with x plus 2. And for the right hand side, that's going to be x squared. And you might be like, what should I do now? Well, to find the x, most of the time you need to equate it to 0. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to subtract both sides by x squared. What that does is it's going to be negative x squared plus x plus 2 equals 0, right? We want that 0 there. But then I'm kind of uncomfortable with x squared having a minus or a negative in front of it. So let's just multiply the whole equation. You can't just do that specific x squared. But if you want to modify one part, you got to modify it for the others, especially this side as well. So let's just do that. So multiply this whole thing by a negative, which will make the negative x squared a positive. But then for the others, it's going to be a negative. Okay. So now that we have x squared minus x minus 2 equals 0, we need to start finding the x by, by factoring it. So what times what is 2, and what plus what, or what minus what will lead to negative x. So I think it's negative 2 x minus 2 times x plus 1, because 2 times 1 is 2, and negative 2 plus 1 is negative x. So let's just expand this just to make sure we're doing it right. Okay, it looks good. Okay, it's the same. So we've done it right. And we got 2 and negative 1 for x. Now, after you see that, you might select A. But what you need to make sure is, I think your math teachers have taught you this in the past, but make sure to plug it back in, because not all can be the answer. You always got to double check. So that's what we're going to do. You just need to plug in each value back into the equation. So plug in 2 for this. Okay. So that's going to be 2 plus 2 and a 2. Will that be true? Well, root 4 is going to be 2 positive, and that's going to be negative 2. No, right? So that's wrong. So we need to make sure for negative 1 as well. So you're going to get negative 1 plus 2 equals negative 1. So that's going to be, okay. Wait, hold up. Oh, wait. Okay. I know what I did wrong. Negative 1 plus 2 squared equals minus times negative 1, which is 1. So that's going to be positive. So 1 equals 1. And we know that the x value, negative 1, is the solution. So B is going to be your answer. Thank you.